Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another vlog. A couple of my, New Year's resolutions or goals for this year is to work out a little more and eat healthy and lose some weight. So it is currently 5 a.m. and we are in the gym right now. So I'm gonna do a quick, maybe like 5 to 10 minute warm up on the treadmill and then we're gonna lift some weights. So it's now been about a week and a half since I've been trying to go to the gym, but I have not gone at least like 2, maybe 3 days out of the last 10 or 11, just because I have not been feeling very well and I started my cycle, which is never fun. But I've been doing my best, and now this weekend, I'm actually just gonna chill. I do have to do a little bit of cleaning, like folding laundry, doing the dishes and stuff, and then I'm just gonna do a little bit of self-care. I also just realized that it's January 13th and I still have all of my Christmas decorations up. So that's actually gonna get put away today. So don't come for me because I've had them out for like a long time. I'm working on it. So that's gonna be put away today. So for breakfast this morning, I'm gonna have a cinnamon raisin swirl bagel, and I'm just gonna add a thin layer of regular cream cheese to it. And then I also like to add sliced cherry tomatoes to add a bit of a sweet flavor to the bagel. So that's what I'm gonna have for breakfast. Good morning, everyone. I just took my pre-workout. It is almost 5 a.m. and we're about to head to the gym. Guys, it's snowing outside. This is the first snow and ice for the North Dallas area. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The ground is covered. I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna be working from home or not. The ground is super soft. It feels a little icy, but not too bad, but we'll see. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Those were just a few things that I do for self-care. And, you know, self-care could look different for everybody, you know. That's just kind of what works for me. And comment down below what you guys do for self-care. You know, I'm open to new ideas and doing different things. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next one.